Hey, my great people. Yes, so it's me, your girl, your friend, your sister, Official Sector TV. Thank you to all my returning subscriber. God bless each and every one of you. And if you have never subscribed to this amazing channel, what are you waiting for? Please press that notification bell and be part of this great family. Thank you, God. Thank you so much. I can't appreciate you guys enough. You guys, yeah, okay. Thank you so much. I appreciate you once again, and for all the share, for the comment, everything. God bless each and every one of you. I don't come back again, my people. This man one of the see so in name na Charles Ekwe. The man they say Surere Street Ojo area of Lagos. Now the man they say this man, what did this man do? Whether na man or na boy or na old man. The man dey 48 years old, but you even sound like you say maybe the man don't even reach 60 or 60 something years. Because of the baba thing wey they do, na make am old, like even old past im own age. This man carries one small pikin. No be say na even the small pikin sef. The man married to this small pikin auntie. The small pikin 30 years old. Na the small pikin just dey. This man just dey kelewa the small pikin. Just dey kelewa the small pikin. And no wetin this man do? Well, the man dey police custody now. I pray make the man stay there for long. As he even stay there, so they go even cut that in cassava, so at next time e no go use that in cassava to do anything again. This small girl, so e dey stay with them, and the wife of this man named the auntie to that small girl. The auntie go comot. This man just dey kelewa the small pikin many times. If you wan even start am, you go first show the small pikin some videos for im own phone. All those video wey man and woman or dey kelewa all those kind video. I no wan just measure the name of the video. I believe say many people una go understand that kind video. The auntie go comot go store. This man go carry that small pikin, go kelewa the small pikin. To that essay, even the small pikin go even go look store, wait your auntie before your auntie go buy something come from market. This man will still go meet that small pikin for there, for your own wife store. You will see the kelewa that small pikin, and he threaten the small pikin say if he talk come and say he go kpema the small pikin, the small girl. Now make the small girl just lock up and everything. I beg my people hard there. Before una give una children heart, may they stay with auntie or uncle. Make una still advise that small pikin say anything wey they see for there, at least make they talk come out. Because of that fear wey this man put for that small pikin body, na make the small pikin no quick talk come out. The man threaten to that say if he even tell im own auntie, he go kpema the small pikin. Na the small pikin, thank God say the small pikin can't even get boldness. He can't go Ogbaligbe station go report wetin dey go on. And the worst part of it, my people, this small pikin dey call this man wey do hair like Soki Migo head. The small pikin dey call the man daddy. Na that one I even pay me pass. Say person wey dey call im own daddy, how you just dey do that kind thing? This man reach to board that small pikin how many times? He carry the small pikin, he dey kelewa the small pikin, dey kelewa like say maybe women dey outside, women of 30 years, 35. You no go see one toast, and he even get wife for that one no reach am. And the small pikin cassava whenever the small pikin kpekos that's never even grow. I don't know what I go even call am, my people. I don't know why some people, old men, they'll just try to penetrate on that small children kpekus, because small pikin na wey never go wetin they want I don't know wetin they want even enjoy for that kind thing. If they know say they love to do that kind thing to they love kpekus, women dey outside go toast them. Who gree for you go gree, who no still gree you still leave am, and the young wife no even reach am. Na e come dey kelewa this small pikin wey dey even give the man wife make dey stay with them. Well, my people, I go read the something for una so that make una see, and I will still put screenshot and everything, just that I not just feel read everything finish because of privacy and other thing. The 13-year-old girl disclosed to the police to auntie husband who she call daddy. Na that one na even pay me pass. The small pikin dey call the man daddy. He come daddy and he come even carry the small pikin come dey kelewa the small pikin. This man, it shall never be well with you at all. It shall never be well with you. As e dey police custody, I pray make police make they give am, that girl must surely get justice, because this man cannot just go free like that. Now so some months ago, that was last 2 months, now so one man 68 years old, now so that one see he send small pikin message say go help me buy something come, and the small pikin come back, he come give am 10 naira. Now that old man 68 years old, but you see embrace that small pikin. The man come say he no know wetin dey do that time, and he push the pikin enter house. He do one, he do second, he do third. The fourth time the small pikin come dey cry. Now the neighbor come, they come knock door. They come see say the man dey on top of that small pikin, 11 years old. Now that old man you see kelewa that small pikin. And now na the same thing again with this man wey do hair like coconut hair. So just imagine 48 years old man, how he go even dey on top of small pikin wey never even know anything. Na memayedela diamegbe at all. Na this man, he just dey kelewa the small pikin. He go kelewa the small pikin for their own bedroom. He go see the pikin go still go he go go in aunty store. The man go still follow and go there go kelewa the small pikin. If not be God wey stand by that small pikin, say the small pikin can't even get courage to even go Ogbarigbe station. Na only God know wetin for happen. If you just take that small pikin life like that because na your cassava na long pass, see him face wey be like a monkey face. It shall never be well with you. It shall never be well with you. Wetin you do that small pikin, if na your own pikin dey do am to, how you go feel? This man wey him hair be like coconut hair. I beg my people heart there, before una take una children, una pikin say make you go stay with auntie or not auntie, or uncle or not uncle, make una still try my people, so that still advise that small pikin anything wey dem see for there. If anybody touch them, so that make dem dey report, make dem dey talk. Because of the threat wey dey threaten that small pikin, and that small pikin no quick talk. I wish that time wey yours dey new dey start now, wey dey dim eye for that small pikin, the small pikin go Ogbarigbe station or he tell him aunty, maybe all this, if you no even reach to this extent wey this man dey kelewa this. Oh my God, 30 years old pikin, unbelievable my people. I no just believe say a man of 48 years old will fit do that kind thing. I no know which kind enjoyment they enjoy for there. Mature ladies, mature women dey outside. They say something wey person the romance do, the something e no enter body, no be the one wey the first person, no be the one wey the first person do. Well, my people, I need to leave you guys for here. And what do you think about this video? I pray that no be say as the man dey police custody or go bail am, no make e dey there so make dem call the cassava and e 2 hands so at next time if e come life again no go do that kind thing wey e do now. Well, let me leave you guys. Bye, ciao.